Hello friends. Welcome to Funtastic Learning. This is our 5th video of the tutorial Cloud Fundamentals. Please make sure you watch our first 4 videos before you watch our 5th video. Links of our first 4 videos are available in description section of this video. In this video, we will learn about 1. What is NFV? 2. Difference between NFV and SDN. 3. How SDN and NFV work together. 4. Basic cloud architecture. Let's begin with what is NFV? NFV or Network Function Virtualization brings the traditional networking into the virtual networking. For example, it converts a physical switch to a virtual switch, a physical router to a virtual router, a physical load balancer to a virtual load balancer, a physical firewall to a virtual firewall. Let's compare SDN and NFV. SDN is separation of control and data, centralization of control and programmability of network. Whereas NFV is relocation of network functions from dedicated appliances to generic servers. SDN offers cloud orchestration and networking. Whereas NFV offers virtual routers, firewalls, gateways, CDN, WAN accelerators. Network functions virtualization is highly complementary to software-defined networking, SDN, but not dependent on it, or vice versa. Network functions virtualization can be implemented without a SDN being required or vice versa. Although the two concepts and solutions can be combined and potentially greater value accrued. Let's discuss the basic architecture of a cloud. In CSP data center, all the physical hardware and virtualization softwares are present. Hypervisor software is capable of running the virtual machines. Addition of NFV controller gives it necessary help to build network devices on general hardware. SDN controller is built in within the hypervisor software. Hypervisor software provides the orchestration facility to monitor, configure, modify cloud environment. In case of IaaS service, customer need to build and run the own network and virtual machines in cloud environment. Basic steps to build IaaS are: first, run virtual firewall, define firewall rules and connect it to external world. Second, run and configure virtual router and then connect it with firewall. Third, run and configure virtual switch and connect it with router. Fourth, run virtual machines and connect them to switch. Fifth, build and deploy own application. Just with the few clicks and cloud infrastructure is ready to work. In PaaS and SaaS, CSP does all of this at background and provides the ready-to-use cloud environment. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know what you think about this video in comment box. If you like this video, then press the like button. Subscribe our channel Funtastic Learning and click on bell icon to receive alert about our next video. Thank you.